So this is the Phanteks Eclipse G400a, and it comes pre-installed with three 140mm fans on the front as intake, a 140mm fan on the rear as exhaust. It's got this RGB strip that runs along the side of it, and it comes in at $100 USD. So the pre-installed fans are the brand new Phanteks M25 G2s, and they have this really cool infinity mirror in the middle of them. The case can support up to three 120mm fans on the bottom, and I'm using the reverse blade M25 G2s, so they are set to intake, and they are sold separately. You can fit up to a 360mm radiator on the top, and I'm using the brand new Phanteks Glacier 1 360 G2, which has this really cool 60mm fan in the middle that's used for VRM cooling, and it's also got the infinity mirror in the middle. So we have the matching look all around. Looking at the back of the case, we have a ton of room for cable management. And if you've been following my channel for a while, I love me some cable management. And overall, I really like this case, and I think it's fantastic for the price point.